Installing a dash cam in your Toyota Camry can enhance your driving experience, provide peace of mind, and capture important footage in case of an incident. Let's walk through the installation process. Before we begin, please make sure you subscribe to our channel for more useful content like this. First, give the windshield a wipe with a microfiber cloth. This helps the mount stick better. Next, attach the dash cam to your windshield. We recommend installing it in the center, right behind your rear view mirror. Alternatively, if you have a mirror dash cam, simply attach it over your existing mirror. Run the power cable through the passenger side to keep it secure and out of the way. Follow the headliner, A-pillar, and rubber stripping. Tuck any extra wire under the floor mats for a neat installation. Finally, plug it into your 12-volt or USB power outlet. For Toyota Camrys, the outlets are usually located below the head unit or inside the center console compartment. If you have a front-only model, you should be good to go from here. On the other hand, if you have a dash cam that comes with a rear cam, please keep watching. Mount the rear camera on the rear windshield. We recommend placing it at the top center. Run the cable to the front, hiding it under the vehicle's interior trim. Use a zip tie to keep any extra cables from dangling around. Connect it to the front dash cam and you're all set. The rear cam uses the main dash cam for power, so there's no need for an additional power source. If your dash cam works with an app, connecting it will usually sync the clock to your phone's time. And with the app, you can view and download videos without needing to remove the memory card. To connect, make sure Wi-Fi is turned on in your dash cam. Go into the Wi-Fi settings on your phone and connect to your dash cam. Open the app, and you should be able to access videos and adjust settings from there. Toyota Camrys usually don't supply power through the 12-volt or USB ports when the car is off. This means your dash cam will automatically turn on and off with your car, so you don't have to worry about doing it manually. If you want to use the nighttime surveillance feature of your dash cam, consider getting a hardwire kit or an OBD2 kit. That wraps up our installation guide for setting up a dash cam in your Toyota Camry. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that your dash cam is up and running smoothly. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.